Taiwan is making a clear choice to look to its democratic friends for business, not just its powerful neighbor, China. President Tsai Ing-wen recently declared that Taiwan must seek trade and cooperation with other democracies, signaling a strategic shift. This move is about more than business. It's about the future. Taiwan wants stability, shared values, and less risk. The announcement, made to a US think tank, was a message to the world. Taiwan wants to be part of a team that plays by the same rules. For years, economic logic favored China. Proximity, a huge market, and profits. But the risks have grown. What once seemed like opportunity now looks unsustainable if Taiwan wants to protect its democracy. Practically, this means Taiwan will pursue more trade agreements with the US, Japan, Australia, and Europe. Taiwanese companies are being encouraged to diversify, seeking new markets where business isn't tied to political demands. This is a long-term, deliberate pivot to ensure Taiwan's economy is resilient and secure. It's about prosperity, but also about freedom from the unpredictable influence of a neighbor with conflicting political goals. Taiwan is choosing a future built on shared values and economic security. To understand Taiwan's trade shift, you need to grasp its tense relationship with China. China sees Taiwan as a breakaway province and has never ruled out force to reclaim it. This claim drives daily tension, shaping Taiwan's politics, military, and now its economic strategy. Taiwan, with its own government and currency, stands for democracy and freedom, values that clash with China's authoritarianism. China tries to isolate Taiwan globally, blocking it from organizations and pressuring countries to avoid official ties. Military intimidation and cyber attacks from China have intensified, aiming to wear down Taiwan's resolve. These tactics are designed to make resistance seem futile and to destabilize Taiwan from within. The constant pressure forces Taiwan to be strategic and cautious. Shifting trade away from China is a direct response, a move to protect its survival and democratic way of life. For Taiwan, this is about more than politics. It's about preserving its future. Relying on one trading partner is risky, especially when that partner is China. China has used trade as a political weapon, banning Taiwanese products like pineapples to punish the island for political decisions. These sudden bans devastate farmers and businesses, creating economic pain to pressure Taiwan's government. China's goal turned economic leverage into political influence. Taiwanese high-tech firms also risk intellectual property theft and forced technology transfer in China, weakening their competitive edge. The legal system in China offers little protection, making Taiwanese innovation vulnerable. The greatest fear in a crisis, China could impose a full economic blockade, crippling Taiwan's economy. Overdependence creates a vulnerability China could exploit without firing a shot. Reducing this dependence is urgent national security. Diversifying trade is Taiwan's way to protect its economy and sovereignty. It's about ensuring Taiwan can't be brought to its knees by economic threats. Trading with democracies means building economic ties with countries that share Taiwan's values, like the US, Japan, and the EU. These nations respect the rule of law and honor contracts, offering predictability and fairness. Trade agreements with democracies are partnerships of equals, built on trust and clear terms. This network of partners provides collective security. If Taiwan is threatened, its partners have a stake in its stability. Taiwan is already pursuing trade deals and joining regional pacts like the CPTPP. Even small countries like Lithuania are strengthening ties, showing solidarity despite Chinese pressure. This is the foundation of a friendship economy, trade based on shared principles, not just profit. Trading with democracies offers Taiwan predictability and legal certainty. business rules are transparent and enforced by independent courts. In contrast, authoritarian systems like China's can change the rules for political reasons, creating constant uncertainty. For Taiwan, trading with democracies removes this political risk. Democratic partners also respect intellectual property, crucial for Taiwan's innovation-driven economy. This protection encourages deeper, more advanced partnerships and technological breakthroughs. Each trade deal with a democracy strengthens Taiwan's international standing and pushes back against China's isolation efforts. These agreements are victories for Taiwan's legitimacy and global presence. They weave Taiwan more tightly into the community of free nations. For Taiwan, trade is national security. Diversifying trade partners is as vital as maintaining a strong military. Taiwan's economy is woven into the global democratic world, making it harder to attack economically or militarily. Taiwan's dominance in advanced semiconductors, the silicon shield, gives it unique leverage. Disrupting chip supply would trigger a global crisis, raising the cost of conflict for everyone. Diversification also blunts China's economic blackmail. If one market closes, others remain open. This resilience lets Taiwan make political choices without fear of immediate retaliation. Strong trade ties pave the way for deeper political and security cooperation. Every new agreement is another thread in Taiwan's global safety net. Trade is Taiwan's shield and bridge to the world. Taiwan is central to the global technology supply chain, especially in semiconductors. TSMC, Taiwan's chip giant, produces over 90% of the world's most advanced logic chips. These chips power everything from smartphones to AI and defense systems. This concentration makes Taiwan indispensable and vulnerable. The world depends on Taiwan's chips, giving the island leverage in international relations. But it's also a global risk. Any disruption would halt industries worldwide. Countries are investing in their own chip factories. But Taiwan remains irreplaceable for now. Taiwan's trade choices have global consequences. Its economic direction shapes the future of technology and security worldwide. Building new trade partnerships takes diplomacy, negotiation, and shared interests. Taiwan is pursuing formal trade agreements, bilateral and multilateral, to reduce tariffs and set common standards. The US-Taiwan 21st Century Trade Initiative is a key step, tackling regulatory and digital trade issues. Taiwan's bid to join the CPTPP would deepen ties with 11 Pacific democracies. Beyond big deals, Taiwan encourages investment from and into democratic countries. TSMC's new factories in the US, Japan, and Germany physically link Taiwan's industry to its partners' security. China tries to block these efforts with diplomatic pressure, but solidarity among democracies is crucial. When democracies stand together, Beijing's tactics are less effective. The path is challenging, but collective action makes Taiwan's position stronger. Taiwan's future depends on courage, from itself and its democratic friends. Taiwan's pivot to democratic trade partners is about more than economics. It's about its future and identity. Every deal with a democracy is a vote for freedom, self-determination, and security. This strategy rejects a future dictated by authoritarianism. Aligning with democracies strengthens Taiwan's identity and global standing. Trade becomes a form of diplomacy, building alliances rooted in shared values. The road is tough, but the risks of inaction are greater. Taiwan's choices show that economic policy is essential for survival in a dangerous world. By choosing its partners, Taiwan is building a resilient, secure, and democratic future.